Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris.
Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today, we're going to be installing these LED headlights from Auxito on my Nissan Altima. Let's get started. I'm going to be installing these bulbs into my fog lights. There's a few different ways you can go about doing this. One, probably the easiest being, you can just turn your wheel left or right and remove this fender liner and access the light that way. Or another fairly easy way is you can jack the car up and remove these handful of Phillips head screws and move this panel and reach behind it. Now that you know how to do it the easy way, since I'm filming, I'm gonna have to do it the hardest way possible. So what I'm gonna do is jack the car up, take the tire off, remove the fender liner and that little panel from underneath. That way I can get a good view of everything that's going on down there. So now that we got the tire off, we're going to start by removing these pop rivets that are located here, 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 and there should be one there. And then after that, we're going to remove these 3 Phillips head screws, and then this whole piece, this will go back, including the fender liner. You can just tuck it back and be able to get in there nice and easy. For those of you that don't know, you remove them by popping this little inside piece out. You pry these 2 pieces apart, and then these teeth can close. When they're pushed together, this piece on the inside comes in and it spreads this open like so, and holds your panels in the hole. Holds your panels together. Alright, so down here we're going to remove these 3 screws, and there's also another one of these right here. So once you have all those clips and screws removed, you can just pull your bumper back and pry this out. Oh, but don't forget to take out your last clip. That might help. Just for reference, on the other side, it's much easier. You can just pull this back and you can reach in through here. But on the passenger side, you got this big box right here that's in the way. So what we're gonna do here is go underneath, and there's our lights. So I can turn my light on. There we go. Alright. Here's our bulb. This is my fog light. And we're going to twist it counterclockwise 1/4 turn. And it comes right out. So to remove the bulb, you just pull this tab back and wiggle it out. And then you grab your new LED bulb. Make sure you got it facing the right way. You want this tab to lock onto this little tab right there, and push it in until you hear a nice solid click. Make sure it's all the way in there. And then we're going to put it back into our fog light. That's the exact opposite of what you did to take it out. We're going to put it in and turn it clockwise 1/4 turn. And that's it. Now we just got to put our wheel cover back in, and we're done. Now for the moment of truth. It's dark outside. Let's see how well our lights look during the night. Dang, son. had to adjust this one, but the good thing about these lights is they have a locking collar, and you can unscrew that little screw and you can twist the light to angle them and adjust them to get rid of these dark spots and angle them however you like. Dang, am I impressed. So this is what it looks like with just my headlights. And now with my fog lights on. There's my low beams. That barely lights up the street at all. And then the fog lights. Look at that. Such a big difference. And then my high beams. Fog lights. Low beams. No lights. That's what it looks like with the new LED lights. That's just my regular headlights. Fog lights. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, get yourself a pair of these fog lights. Don't forget to use my code, ToolsandCars15. Get yourself 15% off your order. We got the fog lights, the switchbacks. Next we got going in the headlights, low beam and high beam.